ni obed an open tender ma kembe moko bende nyalo chwalo kwayo margi ni wambe ok miye wane JKIA ni mar mondo mi warane mar mondo mi koro opim kata oket gi ratil mondo ne ni mane moingo wad kata offer mane maber to offer mane marach to nomiye mana ADANI kende. Mano bende moko kuom penjo ma jopiny osebedo ka penjore.
Erokamano kendo Joyce kuom thuolo loso ewi wach mar ADANI. Wade the state from awarding of tenders. Let me say, in fact, this is now tender. Because kataka CPO good watching ni keni apani okide mo watching ni atini keni pogi gibeda awarded. My is something which is according to a close case. My is gima we will talk, we'll make noise. Lakini at the end of the day, ADANI will be working. And in terms of awarding, teach any based on what can you give us? Imi teacher, idi mi wango in. Eri kaka wadi chiemo. Man the only way, at least when you push go at least ngato in any maybe or ngato mi tender iloni in a very good way. Likesi watch any nyalo mi ngata di. Wa we watch mar ADANI. Kipacha kalo ragi kod kaka maybe conduct margi wanyal ngi ka even from the east mar ADANI by that Indian billionaire. In fact, in India itself, Kamobe originated from. They were accused of actually actually stock manipulation and a bit of tax evasion kind of stock tax, something we relate to tax. Look at them. Look at their conduct in Australia. Sorry, Canada. They have the same history of Ginjok. At least when they come, you can make an agreement. Lakini in between. Nti a lot of in place and of which mano ngamanyalo reveal gigo kada ngamanyalo seal gigo any once they come give me at least of upper hand or let me say give me a bit can I call it a bribe at least even if they could be doing things give them things makoro at the end of the day uburunge manabange wa we other chiwa a very example against Ziara. Look at the Ziara sani and the last time I traveled against Ziara Kadi Mombasa though now I will never abort it again Ziara kinyo jokma the staff were there. And a good number of people might know most bega Matthew Kanyo how they're being paid. And Korjok Michulo, Mauar for foreigners. Look at how Gin Obedo, can I say, exaggerated the costs. And my given the Timor still with the ADANI going forward. And still, other two also is Timarka JK port was made. Manoka at Turo in land of Ni Guinea Timokendo 101. King Kaka, for example, from 1958, Money Apani was the time Manobedo opened. 1958, Kenya government go only 15% mar financing mar airport. But colonial no secure some funds from I think it was a African Development Bank kinda, but Negi Biro, this money was put together. But bang, it never took a very short while. My part Kenyan airport, I mean that is the JKIA. Obedo ranked the seven busiest, meaning how busy you are to make a lot of money. Until a lot of money circulate in Kenyan airport. Karaka for example, watching CPO watching Kata 101 Kenya, we have good capacity on at least a team Guinea Kendwa. And I'm really against ADANI. Kitangyo history, kuponing ingyo ngato, ingyo gimoro based on body goal of fruit. One, ingyo history mar deal most about team before. I mean, just a very good example mar expressway doka way, but it also some hidden things in SGR one godokai, but now ADANI. Anything more in terms of serikali makoro serikali maprokiwa, serikali makoro maybe overlook or give moto kadiga maberga. Adam another example at KA runs now the ports. Then we'll link it to now. Let me say now we have the competitors at let me say JKIA, one gi KQ, one gi Jumbo Jet, one gi Silverstone. But why is it Nini KQ make a lot of loss? Anything mobile link gi Serikal, their main aim any more they are majorly for profit making. Give me benefit gi. To give me the benefit the common mananchi. Even now let me connect to ADANI. ADANI itself and give me the benefit some individuals. It is very sad to say that, but another way in terms of the history marker, I said ADANI was a Biruka Act, our way is based on in terms of maybe other ports. You got to look at how their ports look like. In fact, man nobody financed not through not deal, but just through themselves. Look at TZ. Me had been TZ airport and very clean and very good. Even though they give chop capacity how much they make compared to now Marwa, but still they're on the right track. Gibedo well maintained. We can do it. We have a lot of structures more overlap. We have Ministry of Labor, Ministry of Public Service. Why angom okbed for them on save on cost. Recently can I go by net auditing mar public service. Negi wone about we have 28,000 ghost workers. Serikal can in fact they can those we have 28,000 ghost workers. But there's nothing they can do about it. Why can they act? These are people cost munyalo cut, we will save this amount of money. People do a lot of corruption with big money. But no one is following them. Keep follow maybe lack of evidence. Are we in a country?